Yeah, so I would absolutely recommend Labella MD for the hair loss treatment, for the PRP treatment. The process is almost effortless when you come in. From people at the front door that greet you, make sure you're okay, make sure everything's in order, to the doctors themselves that walk through and explain everything that's gonna happen to you step by step. More importantly, they make sure that you're okay with it. They make sure you understand it. They don't just tell you and then walk out of the room and go do something else. They're there every step of the way with you, and that's it. You know, it makes you feel like you're a member of the team. You're a member of the family that's here. But it was remarkable. The results we got were and still are. I mean, that was 2 years ago. I'm still getting hair that's coming in. It's definitely grown in a lot thicker. It definitely has made a huge difference. The lady that cuts my hair, she's really noticed a difference, because I had asked her at the time when we were doing the medications, before we were doing the injections, to take pictures, and she did. And even now, she said it's a huge difference. You might not notice that you don't have that confidence as much until you realize you have hair again. But when the hair started growing in, I would say, not that I needed more confidence, but yeah, it definitely gave me a little pep in my step, you know, to know that now I could, if I wanted to do something with my hair, I could. I mean, it's definitely something I'd recommend.